Okay, here's what we have today. 2005 Mazda Tribute I. 160,000 miles. This is a two-owner with a clean Carfax. It's rust-free, non-smoker. Comes with our service contract, good anywhere in the country, 3 months, 3,000 miles. You can expand that at your cost. Tires are excellent. This is a great SUV for under $5,000. Look underneath here. Look how clean that is. Under the doors. Look here, where a lot of them rust away. No. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can handle that no matter what your credit situation is or is not. And here at Tempest Motors, we now specialize in rust-free, out-of-state vehicles. Serviced and ready to go. We have vehicles coming in daily and motorcycles. We also sell motorcycles with a warranty. Come check us out at Tempest Motors. I'm sure we'll have a car here for you. Thanks for looking.